Today we are back in the garden. It is very, very windy, as you can see. So there won't be much other than tech action going down for the very beginning of this video. I've got a new car. It's actually a hire car. Until I get a new car. I've got a new bike, and this week I will be getting a new car. I've sold the transporter van. It's gone. Rest in peace. Okay, we're gonna have a pretty chilled session in the garden right now, and then we're gonna go to some other spots to ride. Let's go. Let's start the day with 2 360 tyre taps in both directions in a row. Oh! Oh my days! That's actually well hard. Opposite 360 tyre tap. Oh! That was majorly crusty. Too bad. Okay, double flares back to back. Oh my God! I'm so dizzy. The dizzy beast. So, without any further delays in today's exciting news, basically, I've sold the transporter. I'm currently driving a hire car while I'm trying to find the right car. We're still running the buy one get one free deal on OWNA. Link is in the description of this video, where you get buy one get one free on all t-shirts and jerseys and free shipping over £30. Go and check it out. Okay, there's a wasp. Okay, so I'm not sure whether you can hear me because it's very, very windy, like so crazy. The hire whip. Basically, I sold the transporter yesterday and I'm looking for a Golf R. I want a very high spec one. I want pan roof, Dyne audio, which is the subwoofer built in. I just want a sick one, a proper sick one. A 3-door, and I want a black or a blue. So if you know anyone, drop me a message, you know where I am. This is the hire whip right now, but I can tell you it does feel quite nice to be in a car again. I had the transporter for how long did I have the transporter? 15 months. I had the transporter for 15 months, which makes it my longest kept vehicle that I've ever owned. I go to so many bike parks, so many skate parks, usually twice a day, and I just thought, do you know what? I've been in a van for 15 months. I want something new, small, fast, fresh. So the Golf R will be here soon. Stay tuned. So we are at some skate park, basically, and there's like a little quarter pipe. Some of you's probably seen this on the channel before. A driveway, a spine, and a flat bank. We're gonna see what we can do in the wind. We're out. We're on the jump bike, looking pretty sick. I don't think you've actually seen on the tube yet. I forgot to mention when we were riding the ramp, but I put a new Hope brake on the jump bike. Brakes on the bike. Looking quite nice. I'm gonna start off today with, it's very clean. Very clean. I'm just gonna jump the spine a couple of times. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my God. Very windy. I always wanted to live this close to a skate park. Imagine living there and riding this. That'd be quite cool. Do you live that close to a skate park? Okay, I might 360 the spine. Wish me luck. Actually pretty chilled. I'm gonna do a manual up, along and down the driveway on the jump bike. Let's go. Oh my God, Don't like it coming that way, I'm going to try going this way. It's actually really hard to bunny up and into a manual on a jump bike, I think. This could take me some time, so bear with me. Oh! No, I might go the other way again actually. Okay. I do have a slight malfunction. My brake is completely rubbing, which is frustrating. I'm going to try and do it anyway. Hey! That was alright. Oh my god! That's pretty hard on the jump bike. I'm going to try and do it smoother. Hey! Okay, so I'm going to do fakie bar spin on this. I'm going to go down, hop on this, try and fakie back to fakie bar spin. If you're not familiar with what language I just spoke, enjoy the stunts. So slow. Okay. Easy. Oh my god. Okay, so I've just finished riding. It's very windy, and I put the clip in. I actually did a whip tap, rolled backwards off the quarter pipe, and actually hit my head quite hard. Look at my helmet. Like smashed my head hard enough to make me go, oh my god, I just smashed my head. It wasn't like a crazy crash, but I did land on my head, which is weird. And basically, I have a pretty cool surprise in this video. I have built up a new enduro bike yet again. So I'm gonna show you guys that bike. Let's go home. Okay. Oh god, that was not a good start to the clip. As you can hear, it's still so windy. I'm kind of glad not to be out riding anymore at this point today. Nuke Proof have hooked it up and sent me a new alloy mega frame, which is pretty sick in the green colour. I've swapped it out for the grey frame that I had. And basically, I'm really happy with it. It's still a size small. I've kept it single speed with the single speed shifter. I just need to rebuild one of my old wheels with a single speed hub on. This is going to get confusing right now. The new blue Hope brakes for the Chameleon I've put on this bike, because Nuke Proof are also sending me a Scout, which I'm going to use different colour brakes on the Scout when it gets here. And right now I'm more excited to ride this than my hardtail build. So for now, the hardtail aggressive build is kind of on hold for when the Scout gets here. And this is the new enduro frame. I'm really happy with it actually. I'm proper loving it. Standard 170mm Fox 36 forks. I got these for 300 quid on Pink Bike. I want to rebuild my front wheel to put me carbon rim that matches the rear carbon rim on this front wheel. So there's a little bit of work to do still, but right now it's good enough to ride, and I can't wait to get out and have a session on it. I wanted to say shout out to Nuke Proof, hooking the frame up for free. I'm really happy with that, and yeah, just thought I'd show you guys so there wasn't any confusion when you see me bike next. That's going to be the end of today's video. Make sure you go and check out OWNA Official, link is in the description, and you get buy one get one free on all t-shirts and jerseys. Until next time, peace out.